Hello, good evening students. Welcome back. How are you all? Fine? Good. Today we are going to start with new lesson number 10. The name of our lesson is countable and uncountable nouns. Now what is this countable and uncountable nouns? Do you know what is meaning of nouns? Nouns means naming words. Name of a person, name of a animal, bird, things. Such words are known as nouns. Name of a person, name of a place, name of animal, name of a bird, name of a thing. They are naming words. And then in that also there are some nouns which are countable and which are uncountable. The nouns which we can count, for example, pen, pencil, table, they are countable. We can count 1 table, 2 tables, 1 pencil, 10 pencils. The nouns which we cannot count, like salt, sand, sugar, correct? So, more what is the hair, these all words are uncountable. आपल्याला मोजता येतील का ते? नाही. So they are uncountable. So the nouns which are uncountable are called uncountable nouns, and the words which are countable, they are called countable nouns. We are going to study about that today. Okay, now here look at the picture. What is told here? Look at the picture. Look at the picture here and answer the following questions. Now first you have to see a picture and then you have to answer the questions. Okay, what is told here? How many shuttlecocks does the Jack have? How many shuttlecock does the Jack has? He has 1 shuttlecock. So what is our answer? 1. Okay. Next one. How many rackets does Jack have? Jack has 2 rackets. So what will be our answer? 2. In both the pictures, the nouns shuttlecock and the racket can be countable. What we say, there is one shuttlecock and there are 2 rackets, right? So here the nouns which can be counted are called countable nouns. If a noun is countable, then a and an can be used before countable nouns, correct? A book, example is given, a book, an egg. Okay, they are countable. And the nouns which are not countable, before that we use, I think so, that we will see whether we are using or not, because before uncountable nouns also we use a and an. Okay, now here it is told that the nouns, now your question is asked, how many shuttlecock does the Jack has, or does the Jack have? Now where to use have and has? When we speak about one person singular, that time we use has. Okay, and when we speak about more than one person, that time we use has. Okay, and for he, she, it, for he and she also we use what? We use has. For I, okay, for I, you, we use have. Okay, so here it is told that the nouns which can be counted are called countable nouns, and a and an articles are used before countable nouns. The question how many is asked for countable nouns. कोणता प्रश्न विचारला जातो? How many. The question is asked of how many. When you ask question with how many, that is what? That is countable noun. Okay, now here it is given, the question how many is asked for countable nouns. Example, how many rackets does Jack have? How many? When we speak of many, when we speak about how many, question is asked with which words? Question is asked with how many. ज्यावेळेस आपण प्रश्न हाऊ मेनीनी विचारतो त्यावेळेस समजून घ्यायचं की तो क्वेश्चन कोणत्या नाउनसाठी विचारलेला आहे? काउंटेबल नाउनसाठी विचारलेला आहे. समजलं? ओके, नेक्स्ट वन, नंबर्स कॅन बी यूज्ड विथ काउंटेबल नाउन्स. 5 रॅकेट्स. रॅकेट्स काय आहे? नाउन्स. 5 काय आहे? नंबर. 5 रॅकेट्स. 1 शटलकॉक. वर्ड्स लाईक फ्यू are also used for countable nouns. There are few people in the cinema hall. There are how many people? There are few people in the cinema hall. There are some words like few, then numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. They can be used before countable nouns. Countable nouns च्या अगोदर आपण numbers वापरू शकतो. Countable nouns च्या अगोदर आपण वर्ड्स वापरू, ए अँड ॲन वापरू शकतो. ते काय आहे? आर्टिकल्स आहे. त्याच्यानंतर काउंटेबल नाउन्सच्या अगोदर आपण काय वापरू शकतो? शब्द. कसे शब्द? फ्यू इज अ वर्ड विच कॅन बी यूज्ड बिफोर काउंटेबल नाउन. देन प्लुरल्स आर फाउंड इन काउंटेबल नाउन्स. हिअर इट इज टोल्ड दॅट बुक्स. काउंटेबल नाउन्समध्ये प्लुरल्स पण असू शकतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल बुक्स, पीसेस. आर यू अंडरस्टँडिंग? In this way we have studied about countable nouns today, and tomorrow we will study about uncountable nouns. Okay, have you understood? Have you understood or not about countable nouns? Now here I will just read for you. I will show you picture and then we will study about uncountable nouns. Only this much we will study and then we will stop. Okay, look at the picture and answer the following questions. Now there is a picture of a girl. She has what? She has a glass. In that there is water and there is a plate. In plate something eatables are there. Okay, so your question is asked, how much rice does Tina have? When question is asked how much rice does Tina have, when we ask question with how much, we get what? We get quantity of a thing. Now quantity of a rice. So here you will tell Tina has a how much rice does Tina have? Then you will say 1 plate. How much water does Tina have? Then you will say glass full of water. But then you can count or what? Glass full of water. तुम्हाला काउंट करता येईल का पाणी? राईस तुम्हाला काउंट करता येईल का प्लेटमध्ये? नो, इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. So what you will say? There is little rice in the plate, there is enough water in the glass. So when you are not able to count it, at that time those words are called what? Rice is what then? Rice is uncountable noun. Water is what then? Water is uncountable noun. Now here it is told that in both the pictures, the nouns राईस अँड वॉटर कॅनॉट बी काउंटेड. आपल्याला काउंट करता येतो का राईस? नाही येत. आपल्याला वॉटर काउंट करता येतं का? नाही. आपल्याला सॉल्ट काउंट करता येतो का? नाही. आपल्याला डोक्यावरचे हेअर काउंट करता येतं का? नाही. सँड काउंट करता येतं का? नाही. देन मड, कॅन यू काउंट मड? नो. देन मोर व्हॉट इज व्हॉट ऑल थिंग्स आर देअर विच यू कॅनॉट. लीव्स ऑफ द ट्रीज, कॅन यू काउंट लीव्स ऑफ द ट्रीज ऑर व्हॉट? नो. दे आर अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स. The nouns which we can count are called countable nouns, and the nouns which are not able, which we are not able to count, they are called uncountable nouns. Now here it is told that if a noun is uncountable, then ज्या वेळेस आपल्याला काउंट करता येत नाही नाउन त्यावेळेस काय असतात? There are 5 rules. How there are 5 rules here? A and an is used before what? Countable nouns. Then few word is used before countable nouns. Then more what is told here? How many? We are asking when we want to know about countable nouns, then we ask question with how many. How many books do you have? How many pencils do you have? How many erasers do you have? We use which words? We use how many words. कोणते शब्द वापरतो? How many question. Okay. Then here it is told that we usually do not use a and an before it. Countable nouns च्या अगोदर a and an आर्टिकल्स वापरत नाही. ए अँड ॲन आर्टिकल्स आपण काउंटेबल नाउन्सच्या अगोदर वापरतो. अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्सच्या अगोदर आपण ए अँड ॲन आर्टिकल्स वापरत नाही. ओके. सेकंड वन, द क्वेश्चन हाऊ मच इज आस्क्ड. नाउ फॉर काउंटेबल नाउन्स व्हॉट इज यूज? हाऊ मेनी. अँड देन फॉर अनकाउंटेबल नाउन व्हॉट इज यूज्ड? हाऊ मच. वी आस्क क्वेश्चन विथ विच वर्ड्स? हाऊ मच. ओके. How much rice do you have in the plate? How much water do you have in the glass? Then how much food do you want to eat? So can you count out how much food you can eat? No, you cannot count. So those nouns are what? Uncountable nouns. Here it is told that numbers cannot be used for it. We can use for countable nouns 1 racket, 2 shuttlecocks, 3 pencils. Here numbers cannot be used. Understood? How much rice? Then you say what? 1 rice, 2 rice. No, we cannot use numbers before uncountable nouns. Next point is given here. They normally do not have plurals. For countable nouns, plurals are there. Books, pencils, pens, fans, tables. For countable nouns, plurals are not there. Rice ला rices नाही म्हणत आपण, किंवा मग salt ला salts नाही म्हणत. Okay, we say salt only. We say rice, salt, sugar. We don't say sugars. Okay. So plurals are not used for uncountable nouns. Now here it is told that words like some, any, much, less, little are used for uncountable nouns. I have a little food in my plate. I have few things for my work. Okay. Much. I have enough hunger, or I had enough food in afternoon. Enough is what? Uncountable noun. Much is uncountable noun. Little is uncountable noun. In this way, I have explained you about countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Once again, in tomorrow's period, I will explain you in short. I will write down 2 columns only of countable noun and uncountable noun, and I will explain you about countable and uncountable nouns. Okay. This much is enough, I think so, for today. Remaining part of the lesson we will study in tomorrow's period, and please study for exam. Okay. Syllabus is given in the paper pattern. Okay, syllabus column is there, paper pattern is also given. It is sent to you by Ganesha sir. Please go through it and study for your exam. Okay, thank you.